Kuble pi baro ngi pedang sngobhaya pi shgathup khubor menta ka jamit shwaban phaish ki khubor ki babnya ngi ne pet shwai ki mat bakongsan Khot ka President Draupadi Murmu ki sipai ka ri bandan hapo ka jingmut ya ka jinglong bala khre banya dai ka ri Lekjumo usambut menteri rangba uba snya bhalang ha ya ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council Onsawanra ya ka jingtip babnya halo ka jingsha penjulor ba ka jingdu nong pisa na ka daw ka jinglin shop ki bor mariang ha ka district level jong ka executive director ka State Disaster Management Authority ikong matsidor wanong Sakaway packaging tuwa kindo ka bajon hasu na pul tunnel batha ki pulit ikinonya kali dan let haino na kaway patkalinti ki khubor ki babnya ka President Draupadi Murmu kala khot ki sipai swingari bandan hapo ka jingmut jing perkhat ya ka jinglong bala khre banya dai kari kala kentu ya ki bandan ka mensiam ka baslur ka bakat kum ka thong touch the sky with glory barban im kat kum ka jing angnut jong ka jat ban riu ka President kala samru ya ki wing but ki brevet shaki he katnat sipai swing but ki commissioned India Air Force trainees jong katnat sipai swing but ki nongsha hikai ha ka ground duty branch hadien bakila pendap ya ka jingsha hikai jong ki menta ka sngi kumju ru kumba shipongut ki he jong katna chipai duriau coast guard but arngut kinong aijing hikai na Vietnam kilayo pediang lang ya ka wings ha ka combined graduation parade
Ability to absorb technology at a rapid pace will be essential for defense preparedness and land, sea and air. Each and every officer of the armed forces has to keep in mind an integrated perspective of defense preparedness. I am happy to note that our Air Force is taking steps to be ever ready, especially future ready, keeping in view the overall security scenario, including the challenges of fighting a high technology war in a network-centric future battle space.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba uba asnya bahlangdhar uba khmiru ikatnat Urban Affairs and Commerce Industries ulali jungo ya Giant Hills Autonomous District Council hinin kasngi kini ga jingli jungo kalong met penlong jingalang balban ye phliu jingmut khnang ban te akam ye jing e halor ga jingduna pisa balban wat ikilat ban pinmi pisa hagani ga jingalang le shimbanta de ki khot ka council bat ki nongtre ka GHADC uhe ka GHADC uba thombor shiwat ula IT ka memorandum show simbut Menteri Rangba da ka ba mat phangru halor ki mat ba pher ki ba ka council ka yikandu kani ka memorandum ka bla IT da ka executive committee jong ka council ka long ban pensngau halor ka jing e ka ba ka council ka lekandu ha ka ba ya de bi ki nongtre bi ki khot jong ka council na ka daw ka jingduna pisa
Man go on to meet of a main to he chokoni discuss ideas and thought were use kedi man odang like for among the dang bone ne ba ka jingun dang bone ka mong dum lu sao thu ka man ku ni for the main to discuss ni ka mong discuss yo increase the revenue ka tu bani ni sector ko man kum ta yo ba
Ka Executive Director ka State Disaster Management Authority ikong Matsiudor wa Nombri ilaong baya ka jingtip babnya halor ka jingjulor ba ka jingdu nong ka pisa na ka daw ka jinglin shop ki bor ka mariang on sawanra hapo ka district level hadien ba ka district administration kan khen gandia ya ka jingsha penjulor ba kan sapha sha State Disaster Management Authority haba ajing kren ha ka jingelang bat kinong thok khubor henin kasngi ila pentip ba ka liur ka lawan ha Meghalaya bat kishnong ki bashakta kilong hnyo phukndai tli bat ki brio ki bashakta kilong hadu 8000 news pa hnyo phunyongut kajing yap brio kalong iwe kajing yap kimrat kalong laitali ba kajing shakta ki yeng kalong shis pa phraphun rutli kaladan kawai kajing jiaplu yeng ha West Khasi Hills bar kawai kajing shatit ha uprathat ki jaka ki bashakta jur na kajing tuwa khando ka de ka sona perdi tunnel ka badan ha ka surok ba National Highway 6 ka bahap hapo kalumshnong CNRD block
Yes, we are in fact just prior to this conference, we just had a very long. In terms of cyclone, heavy rainfall, the number of villages are so. In fire incident, we have had only one in West Khasi Hills. This is only for the past 9 days. Yeah? Lightning strike 1, and the rest are cyclonic storm and landslides. Of these, the more affected areas of landslides include the Sunapurdi tunnel along the National Highway 6 under Lumshnong CNRD block and the Rangan area of the National Highway 40 along Tauki Road.
Ki arngot Shipara kila do no ela gajing im na gajing tua khendo ka blaja hamawyong pendeng re nong stoin Meghalaya henega step nga phadien gajing ther jong labba ha ka de jaka kini ki arngot ki Shipara la tip kerteng de kafinia nong siet bat imaya na la nong siet ki bade na kasnong wa lang nang nyang nong stoin kani gajing jia kala jia ka por kumba sau statement step kat ba ki saungot ki badan ha ka de galong yeng bakun thup yuk pa jong ki o barang yothia Hakaba gajing tua khendo kala jia kansan kala telap sundan yaki syakte ka khendo kti bad hau mau yakate galong yeng lawan banyarap ti bah yeng be nong shong shnong kat baki arngut pat kala khlat no kani gajing jia kala pen shong er ki briu hakani ka than bad ki bosh nong kila kentui ki briu baken long ki bahusiar na gajing tua khendo ka bala banja hakanu kanu ka por National General Secretary ka Seng BJP ubakmi eka Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat hakathan chate lammingi usunil dehodar ulaong bakalyang persha ka persang man Grand Persha ya ka Seng BJP bat ki persang ru banyalam bakla ki brio na mar bakim kwa ba umudi bat ka Seng jong u kan roi hakajala ulaong ru bakalat ka bala ban khanglat ya kani gajing bishni kalong ban let ya kan du ki brio bat pin ko ngu yaki Ulaong ru ba menchwa hagowa ka Seng BJP ka dan tang ar la ni laingot ki MLA Henry hakini ki shiphaus nem bala let hapo ka jingalam ka sarkar BJP kam shimdon kanu kanu ka jingjia pinban ki san bat ki roi namar ba ka Seng kam dani e ban persha yenu kumju ru ki kristan Ulaong shu udon ka jinget habaro ki noyalam jongka Meghalaya bakin long ki ban tre na ka benta ka bha ka miat jongka Seng
The only way to break this ice is to go to people and convince them. As Goa minister is a Christian Catholic, he said that before BJP had only 2 or 3 MLAs, and every election there was a strong campaigning from Congress specifically that if BJP comes to power then all Christians will be finished like that. And now he is telling that last 10 years BJP government is there and many Christian ministers are there, MLAs are there, and nothing has happened to Christians. Rather they are flourishing, they are growing.
Sakaway par kajing tua khendo kala jia mata kasngi hakapor khandai beje min step hasuna pur tunnel kabalam chagajing sakut pa jing thengkali kabor panya district la pente pana kadau jo gajing dro slap ha district kajing tua khendo hasuna perdi tunnel kabahap ha kasurok ba national highway henriu kalanang jur kablaka lenti habro arliang ki surok berklawan ra kajing shong sier ha kalikawan lapelong ye kajing pen khuat yakidi ki khendo dakat national highway authority of India Kipulit kila batha ya baro ki kali bakin lek phaino na kawai pat kasurok kabalat nya kani gajing tua khendo tat hadu banda pen bina pat hadin la batha ru ikinong let nyangwan bakin long ki ba fikir hakale kawan jongki Mentapat ngin pe yekajing long jingman kasing baneng hashlong kajing shet kalong r.1 degree Celsius ba kajing kriat kalong khatnriu 100 degrees Celsius kajing ngam ka haw kalong khadai pusaw na khispa men step but prapo na khispa janmit kajing hap slap kalong 0.r millimeter kala bandan kajing hap slap ka ba malumala hagi babun ki jaka shwaban poish ka bakut jok thup khobor ngi pe byang sa shi ni kimat pakong san Hot ka President Draupadi Murmu igi shipai ka ri bandan ha kajing mut ya kajing long balak kre banyada ya ka ri Lejingo usimbut menteri rangba ubak singa bhalang thar riga Giant Hills Autonomous District Council On sawan ra ega jingtip babnya halo ka jingsha penjubor bat ka jingdu nong pisa na ka daw ka jingding chap gibor maryang ha ka district level jong ka executive director ka state disaster management authority ikong matsudor war nongri Basakaway ka jing tuwa kendo ka bajur Hasunapur Tunnel betha ikipulit ikinonya kali balik pai do nakaway patalinti. Di perlok de kitu kubor ngila poish ka bakut jung kubor jung imentaga janmet hadu bangide syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kuble pi baro.
Monkey.